Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use prompts for better image result in Ideogram. Let's get started. First, visit the Ideogram AI app in your phone browser and then here, log in or create a free account. Then start with a clear prompt. Write a simple, descriptive sentence about what you want to generate. Like for these example prompts here, a minimalist logo of a coffee cup with steam, black and white, and vector style. And use a specific adjectives and styles. To improve your result, you can include the art style, mood, color theme, color scheme, subject details, and more and include a format or composition hints. Add layout preferences for better fit, like for example, a centered composition, white background, symmetric design, or social media post format, and avoid unwanted elements using negative prompts. Use phrases like no text, no people, no watermark, no blur, and click generate and wait for a few seconds. You can adjust your prompt and try again if you want a better result. Then tap your image to save or remix it with a new prompt for variation. And that's it. You're now ready to prompt templates for logos, poster, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.